I don't want to
Oh, we have
spoil
some
it.
more super stickers I just noticed. History cooking channel besides Max and Townsend.
Ooh.
I'm not familiar. Maybe Max.
There is one that I enjoy watching. They don't talk. It's like early 19th century American cooking in the wilderness ASMR. That's not the name of the channel, but that's essentially what it is. American cooking history ASMR. I'm literally looking up right now.
Yeah.
Yep, Early American. The channel is called Early American. And
there you go.
it's a wonderful channel. But for the most part, they don't cook. But it's all, in period clothing. They have a cabin that they cook in. It's really lovely. And then Glenn and Friends, a very different take. Not all of his stuff is historic cooking. In fact, I think the majority of it isn't. But when he does historic cooking, he's just like charming and feels like a cup of hot cocoa when you're watching him. So that's why I like watching Glenn and Friends.